Hey everyone, get ready to shine as we dive into part 2 of tennis lighting design, where the perfect lighting meets perfect game. Welcome. Okay, no calculation grid. I don't know how much lux I have there, inside or outside. So let's add calculation grid, rectangular here. Yes. Also outside. In TBA. Here. Also here. To have an indication. And for example, and let's calculate again. Okay, let's see the results. 300 lux here, 300, 500. This is outside, and the blaring area 1500, 1500. Okay, let's see here. The average 1000 and 170. Minimum, maximum, minimum, average, minimum, uniformity 0.41. Over design, I can remove some. Okay, can delete this. Okay. Yes, invalid. Delete on keyboard. Okay, I can change the poles positions, re-aiming also, but let's check this. The uniformity can be fixed, moving the poles and re-aiming the lights. I think this one will go to the right, this one will go to the right, to be typical. If you're interested, I'll make it professionally, more than 0.6, and comply with TIF standards. But 12 meters from 8 up, more than 8 meters, it should be more than, the height should be more than 8 meters. Also depends on the use of this tennis court. If there is or the class of the tennis court. Okay, we will check if you want I will check with you the TIF standards, and we will make some we will make it like complies with the standards. Thank you everyone, and I hope you support me on my YouTube channel and my Patreon. Subscribe and like and give me your suggestions for any facilities. It is just trial or demo. Thank you very much.